If you're here watching this video, know that it is not by chance. Your guardian angels have chosen this exact moment to deliver a special message to you. There is someone from your past, struggling to move forward without your presence, who deeply wishes to reconnect with you. Your existence has been an inspiring source of influence, profoundly impacting everyone you've encountered. Each time you touch someone's life, you transform it for the better. Your wisdom and generosity unlock new perspectives, while your vibrant enthusiasm for life rekindles a sense of wonder and excitement in all around you. There is someone from your past who deeply feels the absence of your vibrant presence, someone facing significant difficulties moving forward without you. In your absence, this person's life has become mundane, lacking the enthusiasm and adventure that your company naturally brings. This person clearly and convincingly recognizes the extraordinary potential you possess to infuse joy and meaning into their life. Indeed, you are the only person capable of enriching their life in so many distinct and valuable ways. The experiences you shared and the memories you created together are deeply ingrained in the fabric of their daily life. The journey you lived together was not only significant, but truly transformative. However, now, without your luminous presence, this person feels lost, uncertain about how to proceed. This absence is felt every day, affecting every aspect of their life, both personally and professionally. Over time, this sense of stagnation has intensified, becoming a true emotional prison. They long to reconnect with you, to resume interrupted conversations, to share new stories, and perhaps to rekindle or even forge a new and stronger bond. Do not be surprised if you soon receive a sign or a direct message from this person. This person harbors such a deep connection to you that they find themselves repeatedly drawn back to your presence. The radiant and confident energy you emit is simply irresistible to them. Over time, you have always demonstrated yourself to be a reliable and resilient person, qualities they now ardently wish to reintegrate into their life. The prolonged absence has only intensified their need to have you near again. Without your influence, they realize how challenging it is to progress. You are, without a doubt, the spark capable of reigniting their path toward a more promising future. In their view, you are the ideal partner, the perfect companion who can help them achieve the full and satisfying life they so deeply desire. Perhaps this person is someone who often occupies your thoughts, or maybe they only occasionally come to mind. However, to them, you are a constant thought, a permanent reminder of what life can be. Since you left, no other relationship has even come close to the level of joy your company provided. Your presence has always been a source of inspiration, encouraging them to surpass themselves and always strive for the best. Even now, your influence continues to motivate them to work harder and elevate themselves beyond their current limitations. They are more than ready to do whatever it takes to prove that this connection deserves a new chance. Be aware that when it comes to true love, there are no barriers or temporal limitations that can contain its impulses or desires. Always remember that true love is a bond that transcends time and space, always ready to be reconnected and strengthened, regardless of the circumstances. Despite the passage of time and the many changes that have occurred, the feelings they harbor for you continue to speak louder, demonstrating that love transcends the trivial barriers of space and time. The distance that separates you, whether measured in kilometers or years, has done nothing but strengthen the bond that unites you. They may have hesitated before, uncertain about how or when to approach, but rest assured that the decision to approach you now is firmer than ever. They simply cannot ignore the magnetic attraction they feel for you any longer. You have become a force of nature, touching the lives of everyone you meet, whether in profound ways or more subtle forms. For them, the idea of leaving you behind has become unbearable. They no longer want to settle for failed attempts. They want you in their life in the present, not just as a sweet memory of a longed-for past. They clearly see you in their future and are actively thinking of the best way to reconnect with you, seeking to ensure that this new attempt at connection is successful. They are determined to do things right this time, with the goal of not only regaining your closeness, but ensuring that nothing can separate you again. They live with the fear of facing obstacles that might discourage them from having you back in their life. Approaching you is an absolute priority for them because they are aware that their existence without you feels incomplete. You are the missing piece in the puzzle of their life, and making this move towards you is the first essential step for them to feel complete once again. The time that has passed since this person was actively present in your life has witnessed your remarkable growth and progress. Every day that has passed has been a day in which they have seen, even from afar, how you have developed, becoming even more exceptional. You stand out as an independent and self-reliant person, traits that have allowed you to advance in ways they have not. This is largely because you have always trusted yourself and the guidelines of the universe to live life to the fullest. Your ability to move forward, overcoming challenges and seizing opportunities, is something they observe with deep admiration and respect. This person from your past, reflecting on the life you have built for yourself, feels an increasing desire to be part of this new world you have created. They admire not only the success you have achieved but the way you achieved it, with integrity, determination, and a clear vision of your goals and values. Everything you have accomplished serves not only as a testament to your abilities, but also as a source of inspiration for them. He realizes that without you by his side, he will never be able to achieve even a fraction of what you have accomplished on your own. This is not just about your professional or personal achievements, but about the way you live your life with a confidence and self-sufficiency that he sees as essential for true success and satisfaction. For him, simply moving on without trying to reconnect with you is not a viable option because you have left an indelible mark on his life. You are unforgettable to him, not just for the shared memories, but for the continuous influence you have on his perception of life and his aspirations. Therefore, when he approaches you, it is crucial to pay attention to what he has to say. This reconnection is not a mere coincidence, but an opportunity that can significantly enrich your life. The universe is playing its part by guiding him to you at this crucial moment, and if you are willing to listen and consider his words, you may discover paths that will benefit both of you. Your guardian angels have carefully orchestrated this message to prepare you for the surprises and emotions that may arise with this person's return to your life. It is important to understand that his intentions are sincere and not aimed at bringing any form of negativity into your daily life. On the contrary, he sees you as a beacon of positivity, whose light he desperately wishes to have back in his existence. He recognizes the luminous impact you have had and continue to have on him, and he is driven by the desire to restore that beneficial influence. As he approaches, he comes with an open heart, seeking not just to revive the connection you once shared but to strengthen it, making it a source of mutual joy and inspiration. As this person prepares to reach out again, it is essential that you are also ready to receive his words and intentions with an open spirit. Consider that this approach might be the answer to unresolved questions or the beginning of a new chapter that the universe has aligned for both of you. This is a propitious moment for reflection and possibly for renewal, where mutual wisdom and understanding can lead to an even deeper and more meaningful relationship. Be aware that the reintroduction of this person into your life is guided by benevolent forces, aiming to bring growth and positivity. By opening yourself to what he has to say, you will not only honor the journey you both have traveled, but also shape a future where both sides benefit from the light and love you have to offer each other. The return of this person from your past serves as a powerful reminder of the lasting positive impact you have on others. Your generosity and fairness are qualities that deeply resonate with everyone you interact with, and it is essential that you continue to stay true to these intrinsic values. Understand that you are deeply loved, not just for your actions but for your warm heart and immense capacity to love and care for others. As you face this reunion, it is vital to trust in the universe and the plans it has for you. Be open to exploring all the new possibilities that arise in your path, whether they are completely new or rediscoveries of past connections. Remember that sometimes the most wonderful and transformative moments in life come unexpectedly, dressed as surprises that may initially seem small or insignificant. Be ready to welcome these experiences with an open heart and a receptive mind. Life has a special way of bringing people and opportunities back into our path when we least expect it but most need them. These twists and turns can be the keys to unlocking new chapters of personal growth and shared happiness. As you navigate these new or renewed relationships, stay anchored in the principles of love and integrity that have always guided your way. Your authenticity not only attracts others to you but also establishes a solid ground on which lasting and meaningful relationships can be built and maintained. So, as you move forward, embracing both the familiar and the unknown, allow your inner light to continue shining as a beacon for yourself and others. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, often places exactly what we need in our path at the right moment. Be ready for the wonders that are about to unfold in your life, for it is often in the most unexpected moments that we discover the deepest and most transformative beauties. I will end with a prayer. Lord, in this sacred moment of prayer, I lift my voice to ask for your unwavering guidance and your divine grace. In this journey she faces, as she welcomes the return of a person from her past, I ask that you accompany her every step, guiding her through the paths of love and understanding. May your presence be a constant compass in her life, always directing her towards wise decisions and actions grounded in love. I implore, Lord, that you fill her heart with keen discernment and the wisdom of the heavens, granting her the ability to face the unexpected with an open mind and a heart full of compassion. May she see beyond appearances and understand the true intentions and feelings of those who approach, using your light as a guide in her judgments and choices. Surround her with your protective light, Lord, and strengthen her within, always reminding her of her own strength and the dignity that resides in true love. May she feel your presence in every moment of doubt or uncertainty, finding in you the courage to maintain her integrity and values, even in the face of the most difficult challenges. May this prayer be a reminder that she is never alone, for you are with her, offering protection, love, and guidance. Help her recognize and celebrate the beauty of being who she is, supported by your infinite grace. May this time of reflection and reunion be marked by renewal and spiritual growth, leading her to paths of peace and happiness. Lord, hear this sincere prayer, which springs from the deepest desire to see your daughter supported and illuminated by you. Amen. Take a moment to let these words resonate with you. Remember that you are loved and protected by the universe. Type 777 to claim this message and the blessings it contains. To help increase your blessings, share this video with your groups and others who might also benefit from the blessings and help of this video. An important message awaits in the next video. I hope each word has touched your heart and that you have found inspiration and comfort in our messages of love and hope. Always remember that you are not alone on this journey and that a higher power is watching over you every step of the way. Share this message with your loved ones, bring light to those in darkness, and be an agent of positive change. May God be with you, and stay tuned for the next video of faith, peace, and comfort. Amen.